Welcome to the next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see the switch case statement in this decision statements. So let's start the video. Switch case statement is like decision statement. So in previous we see that if else if, nested if, all these are decision statements. So I think you have got the idea. So this switch case also is a decision statement. You can take multiple decisions. So I will show here so you can understand when you see the syntax. So simply you need to write switch here. In this you need to enter the like case value. You can call that case value. So you need to give the curly braces. Now inside the curly braces, now inside this you need to give case statements, like you need to give case and you need to assign some value like value 1. You need to give colon. After in second line you need to give the statements or code of line related to this case value 1. So here you need to give the code related to this case and you need to break this case. So you can say the way of writing the case statement in the switch. Again, if we have value 2, so like this, the same thing you need to give. Like here you need to write code related that case. After that you need to break this. So you can take many number of cases inside this switch statement. So at last you can use or you may not use the default. It is no problem to you. So this is the syntax of the switch case statement. So for better understanding, let us consider a small example. Create a simple calculator. So what is a simple calculator? In simple calculator, we have only addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So only these operations is belong to simple calculator. So for this purpose, I am taking some variables of int data type like, so I am advising the user in this printf statement like enter the numbers. So I want to store that numbers in this a and b. So I am scanning into this a and b. 4 I need to perform division operation. So this is how I am advising the user to enter his choice to perform the operation. So I have given the advice to the user in this printf statement like this. So now he at output side is entering his option. Then I am taking that value, like I want to declare some another value to store that value in this ch. For that I am scanning that value in this. So I made a choice for user like this and I am taking the value to ch variable. Now let us write a syntax once. This is the syntax of switch case statement. So here I am entering the value of choice. So whatever the user giving the choice, that I am stored in the ch value. So here directly I am giving ch value. Then if the variable ch variable value of 1, then I want to perform addition operation. Like here I am doing this thing. At result, if in the R I want to perform like this addition of a and b. if the value is 2, if user enter the choice 2, then here I need to perform subtraction operation. So for that purpose the r is equals to a minus b. So if the user enter the value 3, then I want to perform multiplication operation. See, r is equals to a star b. So if the user enter the value 4, so if the user choice is 4, then I want to perform division operation. See, now last I'm printing the value of r. The result is storing in the r variable. So for that purpose I am printing the value of r. So if I run the program, you can see here, so we have an error in this program. So enter the numbers. Here we have missed the semicolon after this printf. So again if I run the program, you see it is successfully executing. So here I want to give the numbers, like I am entering something value 2 or 3 and 4. So you can see it is asking enter the choice to perform operation. Suppose I need to perform addition operation. Here I am giving choice 1. Then you can see the result is 3 plus 4 is 7, or you can give like this. Here I am entering like result is. So again if I run this addition, I am entering the 1. So you can see the result is 7. The choice other than this like 5. Then it is printing result 0, but there is a no, but it is a invalid choice. So if I enter other than this numbers, I want to print that it is a invalid choice. So for that purpose, here after this I am giving a default statement, default semicolon printf. So other than these 4 numbers, the other choice is invalid choice. So if I run the program, I give number like 9 as choice, then if I enter, so it is showing invalid choice. So this is how the use of default statement in switch statement. So I think you have cleared this default also. Suppose if I remove, suppose if I remove this break statement, suppose I am hiding here break. So again if I run this, enter the choice like addition, it will perform subtraction operation because there is a no break statement between case 1 and 2. So it will perform continuously execution operation. So it will continually execute without the break. So break is used to terminate the this switch statement. So here I am giving the value like 1. So it is going to print -1. See result is -1. So I entered here addition operation. So here I entered to perform addition operation, but it is performing subtraction operation. So this is the use of break in the switch statement. So I think we have cleared the switch case statement.